Hi, this is Coach Abby. Welcome once again to Love Advice TV. So excited to be able to share this incredible topic that I find comes up over and over and over. And what is that topic? It's how to get your ex back when he's still so hurt or she's still so hurt. It's amazing because people reach out and they say to themselves, I just feel completely, destroyed over this relationship. I feel completely distanced from her or him. What is my suggestion? My suggestion is this. First and foremost, be nice. Whenever he reaches out or she reaches out, be nice, be kind, be jovial. Show them that you are happy. Happiness is one of the most important threads in a relationship. It's interesting, people always have this impression that it's love. And though love is very, very important in a relationship, what really is very important is that thread of happiness. How do you make each other happy? So what I want you to do is I want you to always portray yourself as happy. I want you to portray yourself as completely comfortable in your own skin. It's very seductive. And that's what we need to do, is we need to re-seduce our mate. And we can't do that if we're insecure. We can't do that if we feel that we're less than. So first and foremost is always, get up in the morning, go exercise, do whatever it is, and bring that adrenaline in to say to yourself, guess what? I'm the best version of myself today. And this is the person he's going to see, or she's going to see. And it just works volumes. So I really encourage you to think about that. And as you're looking at it, just say to yourself, how am I going to make sure that he sees that? By being yourself. No more, no less. Just being yourself. Being that incredible, gorgeous person that you are. Remember, they fell in love with you as you are. Don't change that. Let them revisit that. Let them sense it. Let them feel it. Once again, please make your comments, Coach Abby, down, and let me know what you think. I'm so excited to be available for you. Book your coaching session with me. I think that we can not only become friends, I can help you. Okay. Thank you.